In 300 years from now, the development of artificial intelligence AI could revolutionize our society and technology. Here's a hypothetical scenario of what AI technology might look like in that time. 1. Superintelligence. Artificial intelligence will reach a level that exceeds human intelligence. It will be a superintelligence capable of solving complex problems, creating new technologies, and even predicting the future. Superintelligence will be used in all areas of life, from medicine and science to art and entertainment. 2. Integration with the human brain. Biointerfaces will allow humans to connect AI directly to their brains. This will enhance our cognitive abilities and expand our understanding of the world. 3. Autonomous systems. Autonomous robots and drones will perform complex tasks without human input. They will be used in industry, medicine, agriculture, and other fields. 4. Artificial life. AI will create virtual worlds and simulations that resemble reality. Humans will be able to interact with artificial beings and explore virtual worlds. 5. Ethics and safety. With the development of AI, new ethical questions will arise. How to ensure the safety of superintelligence? How to preserve human autonomy? Society will have to develop strict norms and laws for the use of AI. This is just a hypothetical scenario, but it shows how AI could change the world in a few centuries. Our challenge is to develop AI responsibly and in a way that considers the potential risks and benefits. Superintelligence is a fantastic prospect that could change the world in the future. Let's look at what opportunities and challenges are associated with the development of superintelligence. 1. Increased efficiency. Superintelligence has the ability to automate repetitive tasks, freeing humans from routine work. This will allow us to focus on more complex tasks that require creativity and innovation. 2. Improved personalization. Superintelligence can analyze data on consumer behavior and preferences. This will enable the creation of personalized products and services, improving customer satisfaction. 3. Better decision-making. Superintelligence can analyze large amounts of data and identify patterns. This will help us make better informed decisions and improve results. 4. Improved healthcare. Superintelligence will help doctors in diagnosing diseases, analyzing medical images, and developing personalized treatment plans. 5. Advances in robotics. Superintelligence will be used to create more advanced robots. They will be able to perform tasks in dangerous or hard-to-reach environments. Challenges. Bias AI systems can be biased because of the data they are trained on. Job displacement. Automating tasks could displace humans from jobs. Privacy concerns. Collecting large amounts of personal data raises privacy and security concerns. Superintelligence is not only an opportunity but also a responsibility to society. It is important for us to develop it with ethical and social considerations. The integration of artificial intelligence AI with the human brain is a fascinating area of research that could lead to revolutionary changes in medicine, technology, and our understanding of ourselves. Let's take a look at what aspects are related to this topic. 1. Biointerfaces and brain-computer interfaces (BCI). Biointerfaces are devices that allow us to link the brain to external devices. They can be implanted or worn on the surface of the skin. BCIs allow people to control computers by simply mentally thinking a command. This can be useful for people with physical limitations. 2. Applications of BCIs. Medicine BCIs are used to restore motor function in people with paralysis or amputations. Research BCIs help scientists study brain activity and understand how we process information. Virtual reality BCIs can improve interaction with virtual worlds. 3. Ethical issues. How to ensure the security and privacy of data transmitted through BCIs. How to avoid misuse and control of people's thoughts. 4. Understanding the brain. BCIs are helping scientists study brain activity and understand how we process information. The Human Connectome Project is creating a map of connections between different areas of the brain. 5. Futuristic perspectives. We may be able to download knowledge and skills directly into the brain using BCIs. This could change the way we learn, communicate, and even our very identity. Integrating AI with the human brain is not only a technological issue, but also an issue of ethics, safety in our future 123. Autonomous systems is an exciting field that is changing the way we look at the role of robots and drones in various fields. Here are some aspects of autonomous systems. 1. Industry. Autonomous robots can perform dangerous or monotonous tasks in manufacturing. They can assemble, weld, paint, move loads, and even operate complex machines. 2. Medicine. Autonomous drones can deliver medicine and equipment to remote areas. Robots can assist in surgeries as well as patient rehabilitation. 3. Agriculture. Autonomous tractors and drones can tend fields, sow seeds, spray plants, and harvest crops. This increases efficiency and reduces labor costs. 4. Ecology and research. Autonomous drones can study wildlife, monitor forests and oceans. They help in collecting data on climate and environment. 5. Ethics and safety. It is important to design autonomous systems ethically and ensure their safety. Society must address issues related to liability and control. Autonomous systems are not only a technological breakthrough but also a challenge for our society. We need to balance innovation with safety and ethical 123 considerations. Artificial life is a fascinating field that combines computer science, biology, and imagination. Let's take a look at what it involves. 1. Virtual worlds and simulations. Virtual worlds are artificially created environments built with the help of computer technology. They are designed for users' pastime and can be synonymous with an interactive 3D virtual environment. Virtual worlds can take the form of multiplayer online games as well as individual websites where users express themselves through their avatars. 2. Avatars and virtual beings. Avatars are graphical or textual representations of users in virtual worlds. They can be depicted or described in text, as well as convey tactile and oral sensations. 3. Artificial worlds and laws. Virtual worlds can have their own laws such as gravity, topography, locomotion, and real-time actions. These worlds can be taken from reality or fantasy worlds. 4. Exploration and entertainment. Virtual worlds allow us to explore alternate realities and interact with a variety of beings. They can be used for education, entertainment, and even creativity. Artificial life is not only a simulation, but also an opportunity to immerse ourselves in and explore a fantasy world. Ethics and safety in the use of artificial intelligence (AI) is an important area that requires attention and responsibility. Here are some aspects related to this topic. 1. Safety of superintelligence. With the development of AI, there is a need to ensure the safety of superintelligence AI that surpasses human intelligence. How to prevent the unpredictable behavior of superintelligence. How to ensure its reliability and protection from misuse. 2. Human autonomy. The design of AI needs to consider how it affects human autonomy. How to maintain choice and control over the technology. How to avoid situations where AI makes decisions without human input. 3. Ethical norms and laws. Society should develop strict norms and laws for the use of AI. These norms should consider safety, transparency, fairness, and respect for human rights. 4. Training and awareness. It is important to educate people on the ethical use of AI. Awareness about the risks and ethical aspects will help create a responsible society. So the development and application of AI should be accompanied by mandatory consideration of ethical and safe aspects to ensure the well-being and development of the society. In conclusion, the development of artificial intelligence AI in 300 years is an exciting prospect. Superintelligence, integration with the human brain, autonomous systems and virtual worlds will all change our world. However, we must develop and use AI responsibly, ethically and safely. Join our channel to follow news and discussions in the world of AI.